Hey y'all, Dr. J here. I want to talk about the concept of stay interviews. And we've all heard of exit interviews where an employee is leaving and they're interviewed by human resources to find out why. And so there's a new topic going around that's called a stay interview, which the concept is you're finding out why your employees are staying. What is it about your organization that causes them to stay? And if you've followed my videos for a while, you probably have an idea that an internal communication strategy is critical and that a one-on-one is a requirement. And so whenever an employee was leaving, my first question to the manager is always, why didn't you know? Why is this a surprise? See, because here's the rub. If your manager is doing their job, if they're having one-on-one conversations every single week, and they're doing more than just drilling the employee on the numbers. They're having real conversations about why the person is showing up for work and how work is helping them achieve their goals. Well, then your manager already knows the person is dissatisfied for some reason and looking for something else. Maybe there's a personal reason and they're moving. Manager already knows. Whatever the case is, the manager should never be surprised by the departure of an employee. All right. So stay interviews. Great. Amen. Here's how to do them. You need to have anonymous feedback channels. You need to have a way for employees to provide feedback. It needs to be part of an internal communication strategy. It cannot be done once every 5 years when someone in HR or CEO says, hey, why are our employees here? Everybody looks around and says, I don't know, let's ask. Right? So you need to have an internal communication strategy, constantly getting feedback in both an anonymous and a directly attributable way. All right. So there has to be a way for the employees to give feedback. And you need to be having one-on-ones every single week where the employee and the manager are discussing why the employee showed up for work that day. What is it they're hoping to accomplish in their life? And how's this job helping them do that? Do that every time? And you will directly align their personal with their professional objectives, in which case it's a symbiotic relationship. They pursue their personal goals by pursuing their professional goals. All right. So again, stay interviews are cute. They're necessary. They are very necessary, but let's actually turn them into an internal communication strategy. Let's up the game on psychological safety by improving your internal communication. And what will you get? Well, you'll get one aspect of a performance environment anyways. All right, I wish you all the best of luck in 2026. Peace to you.